All right, so I can now play a sound at a location. Basically, when I spawn my projectile and my player throws it, I can make a cool sound, like a throwing sound. Now, I can also spawn things on the other end when my projectile actually damages or collides with another player. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now, this happens on the projectile itself. So when the projectile hits another object, it happens right at that spot. So let's go ahead and let's go to our base projectile. Remember, you can do that by getting to your gameplay map, blueprints, projectiles, and then you have your base projectile. Or you can do this on actually, yeah, this would happen on your, not your base projectile, but your individual projectile. So I'm just gonna go to my carton projectile, we'll say, and I'm gonna come over here. So on component hit, apply, this is when it applies the projectile damage. So what I'm going to do is, off of here is where I'm gonna drag, and I can do a sound. So I can drag off this and I can say play sound at location. There it is right there. And the sound that I'm going to have have played is one that I already downloaded from the Noise for Fun sound, or I'm sorry, the Noise for Fun website. So I'm just going to click on that and type in what I have here, and I think it's just a metal sound. There it is right there. And the location that I want it to be is this location right here. So I can just say get actor. I'm going to drag off there and say get actor location. Boom. There we go. And self, meaning this actor, wherever this actor is colliding with that player at that moment is where this sound will play. Okay, so we already know how to do that play sound. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have it play, or we're going to have it spawn a particle effect. Yes, this is going to be so awesome. And we're going to have it then destroy itself, so it doesn't just go through the player and keep moving. Now, you can get a whole bunch of particles in the Unreal store here. So I'm going to go to the Unreal there. I'm going to go to, I'm sorry, not Unreal. I'm going to go to Pro Concepts. I'm going to go to Epic Games Launcher and Library. And in there, I've already actually, let's see, I'm going to scroll down in here. It should be somewhere near the bottom, maybe. Let's see, where is it? Here it is, right here. The FX Variety Pack. This has a whole bunch of special effects in it, including effects where when a projectile hits a target, it has this really cool particle effect. So I actually added that to my project, and it's really small. It's only 91 megabytes, so you don't have to worry about adding a whole bunch of size to your project. I'm going to minimize this and move this back over. And just to show you, it's in content, and it adds it right here, FX Variety Pack there. And then I have the particles, and there's just a whole bunch of cool ones to choose from. Okay, so let's go back to my carton there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag off of this, and I'm going to say spawn emitter at location. So spawn emitter at location, that's what it's called, a particle emitter. And then it's asking for, okay, well, what particle do you want to spawn? And I'm just going to click down on that, and I'm going to spawn one. So there's a whole bunch in here to choose from. And you know what? Because I don't have, I don't want to waste you guys' time, I'm just going to choose, we'll choose this hit one right here. We'll choose that one, and now it's asking for a location. So what I can do is I can actually use the play or the get actor location that I already have. I'm just going to drag this off of here and go like that, connect that up. All right, now once I do that, what I'm going to do is off of this one, I'm just going to say destroy actor. Okay, so destroy actor right here under utilities, destroy actor. Okay, so it's a series of events that are going to happen here. So on component begin overlap, meaning when my projectile overlaps with the other player that I'm throwing it at, it will cause that player damage. After it causes that player damage, then what it'll do is it'll play a sound. It'll play my metal sound that I have, okay? Then after that, it'll, right at that same location, it will spawn an emitter. The PK, what is that? The PK something sky hit particle effect, and then it'll destroy that actor. So let's go ahead and test it out. Now I'm going to pause. I'm going to get it all ready by using my play, and then I'm going to come back and show you the effect, okay? So hold your breaths. Here we go. Okay, hopefully you didn't hold your breath too long. Time is relative, like Einstein said. This could have went by in a blink of an eye for you. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this with my client here. I'm going to take 5 paces back here. Sorry, server guy. We're testing this on you. Oh! You see that? That's pretty cool. And it's taking his but now I have a really cool particle effect. That is so cool. Alright, so I can't actually destroy him just yet. But as you can see, my particle effect is playing. The box is getting destroyed after it gets hit, and it's playing the sound. You can hear the actual sound, okay? So those are all the cool things. Remember, you can do that on each one of your particles. You can do that, you can do that on each one of your projectiles. So go ahead, have some fun customizing your projectiles with cool sounds, and make a cool throw sound if you want. And I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, have some fun. And don't forget to save. Always want to save.